Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here. And up to now, you have created a plan to investigate and test the following question. If the same strength force is exerted on two different objects, why might they be affected differently? Your experiment that you set up will help us show the cause and effect relationship between the thrusters of our pod and that force we know that it has, the pod and the pod's velocity when it has those unknown amount of asteroid samples. The variables within your experiment will help us focus specifically on this cause and effect relationship in a very simple way. So let's go ahead and take a look at uh, those variables. So, thinking about your experiment that you've set up, ask yourself some of these important questions to begin thinking about what variables do we have to represent the pod and the thrusters and the effect of the unknown asteroid samples. So, thinking about your independent variable, what will be different in each test to cause a change in this cause and effect relationship? So, thinking about how we set up our experiment, thinking about what we're using, what will be different in each test to cause a change? Dependent variable, what will we be observing as the effect to this difference? So, we have some sort of difference that we're looking to use to cause a specific change. What is going to be that effect? What are we looking for? What are we going to observe happen? Or what are we going to be looking to see change as a result of this difference? Control variables. What will we need to keep the same in the test to get good results? What won't change? What will have to be the same each time we run our test? What will we have to keep consistent so that we can trust our results? So, thinking about how we've set up our experiment at this point, let's go ahead and look at our variables. So, looking at our experiment prep table, your job is to think about what variables are going to help you collect this data that we need using the launcher to see how exerting the same strength force affects the velocity of a table tennis ball and golf ball. So, looking at our experiment prep table, thinking about your experiment, we're looking to answer the following questions to begin breaking down how we're going to not only identify our variables, but conduct our tests. So, if you need to review your step by step plan to think about these, go for it. If you need to double check your variables and these questions to help you complete that table, go for it. If you got questions, reach out. Otherwise, good luck.